So we are discuss another concept in this subject of isolations, and that is micro and macro isolations. So if you just keep this in mind, if you practice this concept a little bit, it'll help you to add a lot more variation in your dance. So what are macro isolations? You know, so macro isolations are big isolation movements like this, 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 the entire neck, this, this. So, bigger movements, they are macro oscillations. And then micro oscillations would be smaller movements like this. The entire range of motion isn't included in the movement. It's just a bit of movement. Then you add the macro. So another thing with micro oscillations is, to give it a more robotic feel, you can add a series of micro oscillations like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then a macro. So this is just a concept to make you aware of this concept, which helps you to add some more variation. So just keeping in mind can help you distinguish a little bit that you're not always doing larger movements. Add a little bit of micro movements and stuff. So this is a little concept about micro and macro oscillations.